Okay, I'm in the kitchen today because I was going through my refrigerator and I have 2 cabbage and I need to do something with them. I'm going to use one of them today. And what I'm going to make is a cabbage casserole that I've seen Miss Brenda Gantt make. I don't know if you've seen Miss Brenda on Facebook, but she is the sweetest lady I've ever watched or listened to. But this is her cabbage casserole recipe and it's delicious. So I'm going to use one of the cabbage and make a casserole today. If you noticed, I've already melted a half stick of butter in this batter bowl. Now I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 cup of mayonnaise. We'll mix all that together and you'll see what we'll do with it in just a minute. Okay, set that to the side and find you a baking dish. Now I use the one, my daughter gave me a baking dish last year, Christmas of 2020, and I call it my chicken and dressing baking dish. It's just the perfect size for it, but that's the one I use for this cabbage casserole. And I sprayed it good with a butter nonstick spray. Now you'll see me get my cabbage prepped and I pick off some of my outer leaves, but if the dark green leaves look good, I like to keep them. I like the dark green leaves, but I will clean it up and cut off any bad spots or blemishes. I'll take these leaves that I'm setting to the side and my girls or my chickens will get those and they'll be happy girls this afternoon. Now your cabbage and your onions only need to be rough chopped in this recipe. Okay, now I'm going to salt and pepper to taste, and it's a fair amount of cabbage, so I do salt it pretty good. But pepper, we love pepper on cabbage, and if I'm going to get my husband to eat it, you're going to have to pepper it heavy for him to eat it. All right, now I'm going to grab that filling that we made earlier, that we mixed up with the butter and the mayonnaise and the cream of chicken soup, and I'm going to spread it all over the top of this cabbage and onion mixture. And once I put it out in spoonfuls like this, you'll see me spread it as even as I can. The goal is you want all of this goodness to run down in that cabbage as it cooks. And there you go, just like that. Now we're going to mix up the topping. The topping is going to be 1 stick of butter, and you'll see me put it in the batter bowl and put it in the microwave to melt. It's going to be 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 sleeve, tall sleeve of Ritz crackers. And you'll see me crush them while the butter's melting. Okay, now you mix these 3 items together. It makes somewhat of a crumble, a dry crumble, once you get them mixed together. And you will spread that all over the top of your cabbage. And I know your casserole dish is going to look full, but that's okay because this cabbage is going to melt down. But just cover the top evenly.